Polishing coins. What do we need? Let's get started. Take 2 cups and put 1 coin in each cup. Pour some vinegar in the first cup. Add water and a piece of glycerin flake into the second cup. Mix the second cup well. Leave the 2 cups for 3 hours. Wipe each coin with the wiping cloth. Did you notice that the coin from the vinegar cup is shining?
Wow!
Scientific explanation. The dirt on coins is the product of a reaction between oxygen in the air and the metal in the coin. Vinegar separates this dirt from the metal in the coin.